everybody, welcome. We're doing this big one here this morning. I'm gonna show you guys. Got this big thing all the way around both sides. It's a big one. I haven't done something like this in a while. End of season jobs, or we take some stuff sometimes that we don't like to do. So I'll bring you guys along with us today as we're doing this. All right, we're just getting over on the other side here. So this is what you call end of season jobs. That's for sure. For sure, end of season jobs. We don't usually do rough stuff like this. Look at the neighbors. Hasn't been done. He wanted a quote. Sketchy part of a sketchy neighborhood, I could say. Got the psychiatric hospital not too far from here, and we got a lot of stuff going on down around here, down in this neighborhood. So you can see they've never cleaned anything out back here. Nothing's ever been cleaned. Look at all the trees growing. Can't really sit outside and have a picnic here. Well, that's as good as it's gonna get. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Come along with us. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up.